And welcome to a new episode on my YouTube channel. As you can see in my previous video, we had a lot of fun with the Supra and everything working perfect. The transmission is perfect, it's super fun to drive it, and it's a really good car to drive on the ice. So the new thing we have bought to the car now is the brand new Pirelli studs tires. The last tires I bought from Mats Østberg. He's a rally driver in Norway, so we got some good price on used tires. So the bad thing about these new tires is that it's extremely expensive, but we want to try. So this is the new Pirelli 205 65 815. So can't wait to try this. So the plan today for the Supra is to take it over to Anders Ringnes. He is a tuner here in Norway, and we're going to try to tune the AEM ECU we have in the car. The car is in limp mode right now, so we have been driven with around 200 horsepower. So in stock of this engine it's 224, so we hope to get back the horsepower and maybe some more. The car is looking so badass with the new tires, and I love the yellow text on the side, and the Bassett's wheels are amazing. So it's time to put it into my Brian James whip transport trailer and heading over to Anders. So we are ready to go, and I'm lucky to have this Land Cruiser from Toyota in Østfold. 2019 Land Cruiser. Looks sweet. Hello.
Tor-Anders Ringnes is the biggest clown I ever met.
What did you say?
Tor-Anders Ringnes is the biggest clown I ever met.
Clown?
Clown, yes. Like circus.
Are you happy with the results?
No.
No?
Are you?
No.
Clown result?
I want 300
On this.
on this.
Ferdig.
It's done. Okay, I'm on the way home to my workshop after we have tuned the Supra. And the Supra from the factory should have around 224 horsepower. Our Supra with the stock ECU had just 197 horsepower. So that's less from factory. With our new AM we get around 220 horsepower, so that's back to the stock Supra horsepower. So I think it's gonna be better. We got more smoother tune, and we're gonna hit a huge racetrack tomorrow on the ice in Sweden. So we're gonna test the new tuned car, we're gonna test the new tires, and I hope it's gonna be good. So stay tuned and see you later.